Hello and welcome to the DIY table. Today I'm going to talk about how to make a phone or tablet holder for your drone controller. Well, this is the standard controller you get with a lot of DJI products, but it will also work for Hubsan and Fimi, lots of others that use this type of controller adaptation. And this is the commercial one you can buy that a lot of people buy, okay? And it's this one here, okay? So it's aluminum, very strong, very sturdy, okay? The one where you lift the two corners up and mount it on the back, if you can, okay? And put it in your holder. And the only thing is, the back here is plastic, and you really can't get it tight enough to stop it from wobbling. Now, it's very sturdy, but you can't really use it with a phone that has a large case on it. I can barely get it to work in here with my Galaxy S7 Edge because I have a full case in it to protect it. Okay, because I have to get into there, and when I put it in here, sometimes fits and sometimes doesn't. So my remedy is, you've probably seen this one around that I made. It's got a very cheap tablet clamshell, and it's attached to a GoPro series of mounts on a piece of 7¼ by 2 inch, 1/4 inch MDF, and that works very well. But sometimes the GoPro mounts, they're expensive. So, is there a cheaper way of doing it? Well, here we are. Okay? All you need is a piece of 1/4 inch MDF, 2 inches wide, 7¼ inch, 7½ inch, 7 inch long. It's 1/4 inch. Okay? You need a 1/4 inch drill bit, and you need a 2 inch long 1/4 inch bolt, and a bunch of nuts and washers. I've used wing nuts. If I was to do it again, I'd probably just use regular nuts, but I've used wing nuts. And this is how you do it. Basically what you're doing is you're bending a nut to an angle that you can support your mount to. Okay? But be careful. Once you put the hole in your piece of MDF, you have to put that through first. Then you have to put on your washer and your nut before you bend it, or else you'll never get the last nut on. Okay? So once you've put the hole in your MDF, you measure 1 inch up on the thread from the bottom here, 1 inch up, clamp it with a towel. You've already put your wing nut on and your thing on, so you've already put this on, okay, with the washer. Okay, you've already put that on. Then you measure up 1 inch, put a towel around here, put your vice grips on, and bend about 30 degrees or so. Okay, then you get this angle here. Okay. Once you get the angle there, you just get any cheap phone tripod mount, and you put your wing nut on the back, screw that on as much as you want, and then tighten it down. Okay, grab your phone. This is what the side I want to put it in. Grab your phone, put it on, and you can adjust it a little bit. It's very tight, and away you go. And that fits right into these mounts perfectly. Okay, there you go. It's perfectly in there, and away you go. Okay, and it's solid as rock. And you can adjust the angle to whatever you want, okay, depending on how much you want to bend it. And you can also use a longer bolt. You could use a 3 inch and get even higher up. Okay, but that's not going anywhere. It's as solid as you're going to get. You could also put this mount on as well. Take it off here, put it on here. And it's very simple, very sturdy, works very well. And for the sake of a bolt, a couple of nuts, off you go. Okay? Simple. Plain and simple. Thanks for watching.